Hello, friend. How are you? Are you pretty happy to be alive today? Hi, Liam. Oh, yes? What do you see? You see Noah? Hi, Noah. What's that you have? What is it?
A king.
Ooh.
It's a king, but it's not the milk truck's game.
Oh, okay. Hi, Liam.
That's the milk truck's name.
Look at you go. You think you're going somewhere?
It's not the milk truck's game.
It's not the milk truck's game? Oh, okay.
But
Hello, Chubby Nose.
but it's the king's game.
Oh, the King's game.
Yeah.
Hi, Liam. You're looking pretty chubby. Hi. Yes. Hi. Hi. Yes. Yeah. You pretty excited? Are you pretty excited? Look at you and your walker. You get down with your bad self.
I push it all the way back. Then push the king game all the way back.
Hi, Liam.
There, you push the king game all the way back.
Good. Can you show us how it works?
Yeah.
Good. Woo! Where did it go?
It went way faster.
It went really fast?
Yeah. I got this and then
Hi, buddy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
here.
Hi. Hello. You're super fun. Hi. You trying to go somewhere? You're the cutest.